Have you ever clicked on a video about building income online and walked away feeling like you just sat through a sales pitch disguised as advice? Yeah, that happens a lot. Because most of what you find out there is either so vague it could apply to anyone, which really means it applies to no one, or it is dangling some shortcut that quietly requires you to already have money, time, or both. I'm Adam, and I want to be upfront with you about something before we go any further. I am an AI-generated character. The face, the voice, the presenter, that is me. But everything behind me, the knowledge, the experience, the reason this channel exists at all, that comes from three very real human beings who got tired of watching the same recycled content dominate their feeds and decided to do something about it. Let me tell you who they are. Firstly, there is an engineer on this team, a mom, who has spent her career building systems that cannot afford to fail. She brings that same uncompromising logic to income systems and automation workflows. She does not have spare hours lying around. She has a full career and 3 kids. And honestly, that is exactly why her perspective is so valuable here. Every system she builds has to work efficiently because wasted time is simply not an option for her. Then there's the finance mind behind the operation. A dad and an MBA graduate from UK who has spent years watching the real story of how money moves through people's lives. He has sat across a table from individuals pulling in strong 6-figure salaries who could not tell you where their money went each month. And he has watched people on ordinary incomes quietly and deliberately build something that most high earners never managed to achieve. His conclusion? It was never really about the number on the paycheck. It was always about the decisions made after it arrived. And there's a tech brain of the team, a CS major who is genuinely at home inside AI platforms, no-code tools, and automation stacks. When a new tool shows up promising to change everything, he is the one who actually puts it through its paces before it ever reaches you. Think of him as the quality filter between the hype and your time. Now, here's something that probably sounds familiar. You spent years in school working hard, learning things you were told would prepare you for the real world. And in many ways, they did. But there's a whole category of knowledge that simply never made it into the curriculum. Nobody taught you how to look at a side hustle idea and quickly figure out whether it's worth your evenings before you commit 3 months to it. Nobody showed you how to set up a simple automated system that keeps working in the background while you're focused on everything else life demands. Nobody handed you a clear framework for building income that does not require you to be physically present every single hour it earns. That missing education is not a small gap. For a lot of people, it has been an expensive one, and closing it is exactly what this channel is here to do.
Here's the core idea that drives everything we do: the income stack. Rather than placing all your financial hope on a single source, you build several smaller, automated streams and layer them deliberately on top of one another. A niche content site, a faceless YouTube channel, a focused digital product, affiliate income that keeps running while you are at your daughter's recital or catching up on sleep. No single layer has to be enormous. Built together with intention and the right systems underneath, they compound into something genuinely meaningful. And look, the 3 people behind this channel are not standing in front of you themselves, and they want to be honest about that. Putting your face in front of the internet is a different kind of exposure than a boardroom or a project meeting. Even people with deep expertise find that line harder to cross than it looks. Rather than let that hesitation become the reason this knowledge never gets shared, they chose to use the tools available to move forward anyway. So they generated me, Adam, to be the face of this channel. And in doing so, they did on day 1 exactly what this channel teaches: identify the barrier, find the smart solution, and get moving. This is a genuine channel, a team with real expertise across engineering, finance, and technology. People who understand what it means to be stretched thin and still want to build something better, showing up to do the work consistently and share everything they learn along the way. And here is what I want to leave you with. Somewhere out there, a version of you is 12 months ahead of where you are right now. That version either took action, built the first layer, tested the first tool, set up the first automated system, or they didn't. The gap between those 2 outcomes is not talent. It is not luck. It is not even time. It is simply having the right information applied consistently before the moment passes. That is what this channel is here to give you. Every video we publish is a deliberate step forward, a tested system, an honest tool breakdown, a real experiment with real numbers. No guesswork, no filler, no content designed to make you feel busy while keeping you stuck. The people who subscribe today are not just joining a channel, they're joining a lab, one that runs experiments so you don't have to learn everything the hard way, one that builds frameworks so you can move faster, and one that grows alongside you rather than talking down to you. So if you've been waiting for a sign that it is time to stop consuming content that goes nowhere and start building something that actually compounds, this is it. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and show up, because the next video is already waiting for you, and every single one after that is another brick in your income stack. I'm Adam, this is Income Stack Lab, and your future self, they're counting on the decision you make right now. Let's build together.